You said when is your daughter's birthday?
Today, sir.
Today.
Days,
Okay. Can we change the program right now?
Yes, sir.
Stop what you're doing. Let's try to arrange her surprise party. I got your stuff. We're gonna fix it now. The cake.
Yeah.
These are the flowers. We're gonna organize a surprise for her.
She must come down here then.
Yeah, we're gonna organize. Is she? I think she's there.
She just came for lunch now.
For lunch now. Okay,
Yeah.
cool. Let's keep it quiet. We're gonna organize that. Don't worry.
Must be in the shade.
Yeah, let's go down there. Take this flowers. Yeah, let's help out and.
What do you want?
We just wanna arrange.
Or something for a table?
Yeah.
Or you want
Yeah.
Michael iets nodig op de weg.
Yeah. So.
Can I put this for her in there?
Yes. Yeah. Okay, that is nice. Okay, now you're gonna take the cake. One will hold the cake and you will hold the flowers. Yeah. And then you will hold the other gift. Yeah. Yes. You'll hold the other gift. Yeah.
Okay, now must I put it down now?
Huh?
Must I put it down?
She doesn't have to see.
Okay, she must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hide the flowers.
Okay, and I'll give it to her.
Yeah.
When I say happy birthday.
Can I take it out of the plastic?
Yeah. Take it out. Take it out. Yeah. Is she going to call? Is he going to call? Okay. She's gonna come here. Okay. Cool. Okay. We hide everything. Let's hide everything. Yeah. Yeah.
Now we will do that.
All right. Cool.
We will do that.
Yeah.
We're gonna sing happy birthday to you. Yeah.
No problem.
All right. Cool.
The first time in a long, long time that I'm doing this.
It's the first time.
in a very, very long time.
All right. We're gonna do it.
It wasn't in my ability for a couple of years. Not
Yeah.
to do it, see.
It's gonna spot like this. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna hide it. All right. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm just an old.
Ja, Papa.
Surprise! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jessie.
Happy birthday.
Bij 23. Papa hoort papa dit gekry. Hulle was nie nodig. Dankie julle, dankie baby. Dankie, thank you nee.
Wat is vir my? Hey. Hallo, my. How geniet dit?
I love you.
I love you more than the most.
Love you more.
My
Lieve papa.
fucking baie. Gaan enjoy
Mag
dit.
jy dit op
Mag ek jou baie jare nog sien. I made 54, you have to make it for.
Dankie met more.
Papa lief vir jou. Gaan jy dit sê baie dankie.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right, cool. Yeah, I just have a gift for you. I don't know if yeah, just count this. It's
No,
your
thank you.
birthday.
It's
Yeah.
enough. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you.
God bless you.
All right, cool.
Thank you.
All right, cool. So.
Papa, ek sien papa na werk. Nee.
Gaan geniet dit nou.
I love you, nee. Ek het papa se
Happy.
Luister. Oh, so.
No, it's good, man. Don't cry.
I'll just say thank you.
Yeah. Don't cry, boss.
Thank you, boss.
Yeah. It's good, boss.
Likewise.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. God
God
bless you. Yeah.
You may have all the blessings.
Your.
Can you 10 years, I think?
Yeah. Okay. Here's your.
Thank you so much. No,
Yeah.
I didn't do so much work even.
Yeah.
I took it nicely for you.
Yeah. I know it's yours, guys. Don't worry. Just
Thank
take
you
this
so
one.
much, I really appreciate
Yeah.
it. God bless you.
All right. Yes.
God bless you.
Yeah.
What's your name?
My name is EI.
P.I.
Yes. Yeah.
I'll carry you over to God.
All right. Thanks, man.
In my prayers.
Yeah. Yeah. Be good.
Thank you.
All right, cool, guys. Yeah, I hope to
Sorry
see
for
you
the
next time.
cry.
No, don't cry. It's okay. It's okay.
My brother, thanks,
Yeah,
eh?
yeah. It's
You
okay.
don't understand that. What
I
you've
do
done
understand.
today.
Yeah, yeah,
He must have sent you across me now.
yeah.
And across Benny and Donald.
Yeah.
Please, if ever you need help from us,
Yeah.
like I said, I'm a boilermaker painter.
Okay.
I like to work also for my
All
people.
right, cool, guys. We'll come here all the time.
Please
Don't
hit us
worry.
up and let us work for you.
Yes, no problem. Anytime, guys.
Even if I must go and preach in his name, I don't mind. I'm not shy of God.
Yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
love him too much.
All right, could be safe, guys. Yeah. All right, love you guys.
God bless
All
you.
right, sure, boss. All right, sure.
Thank you.
All right, be blessed. Yeah, sure. All right, sure.
God bless you, my brother.
God bless you, guys.
Thank you.
Sure.
Drive safe, folks.
All right, cool. Thanks, boss.
Thank you. Hey,
Yeah.
you're an angel. You.
You are the angel. All right, sure.